So, what's an agent for the purpose of estate planning? Well, first, what is an agent? An agent is someone who acts on behalf of another person. They are the person that is invited to stand in the shoes of another party. So, with regard to estate planning, there are two situations where an agent might be nominated. One is under the healthcare directive, the other is under the power of attorney. So let's take a look at the healthcare directive agent. So that's a person that the principal, who is the person who has created the healthcare directive, they've asked this party, this agent, to make healthcare decisions on their behalf, on behalf of the principal, when the principal has become incapacitated. Now, that's generally the case. Sometimes the principal is not even incapacitated and they've still given an agent the power to make healthcare decisions on their behalf. But usually it's going to be when the principal is incapacitated. So what are some of the decisions that an agent might actually make? Well, let's suppose that the principal has decided in the written document in the healthcare directive that they don't want to be resuscitated. Under no condition do they want to be resuscitated. Okay, the agent will then, when it comes time, if it comes time to make such a decision, the agent will know that under no circumstances is the principal to be resuscitated. Let's suppose the principal decides they don't want certain medication to be administered under no circumstances. Well, the agent then gets to stand in the shoes of the principal and stand the ground and state that under no circumstances does the principal want to have certain types of medications administered to them. So the agent for healthcare directive is the person who makes medical decisions on behalf of an agent when the agent generally becomes incapacitated. Now, once the agent or once the principal passes away, there's no more need for that healthcare directive. But up until the time while they're still alive and they are incapacitated, unable to make decisions on their own behalf, the agent steps in and does that. Likewise, with the financial document, which is the power of attorney, the agent for finance is the one who steps into the shoes of the principal and they make financial decisions. Same situation where the principal might not be in a position to make such decisions, or they might not just want to make those decisions. So generally, it's when they become incapacitated, but it doesn't have to be. And they have then nominated an agent to step into their shoes and make decisions on behalf of the principal with regard to finances. And it could be all kinds of decisions regarding finance. It could be dealings with the IRS. It could be dealings with the bank or with the brokerage houses. It could be making real estate decisions. There are a list of decisions that the principal could allow an agent to make. I will also state, with regard to an agent, both for finance and healthcare, the principal can limit the powers that those agents have. So those powers are not unlimited. That the principal gets to decide under what conditions and what powers those agents will have. Okay, that's agent for both healthcare and agent for finance.